Router tables are essential for precision routing, particularly when you need repeatable results, better control, and safe kickback management. The 5 models in this review span a range from budget-friendly to premium, including 2 skill options, a Bosch benchtop, a Ryobi table, and a Rockler trim routing table. To compare them fairly, I evaluated key criteria.
List number 1. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 is a robust benchtop router table built around a large aluminum top and a rigid aluminum mounting plate. It ships with a tall aluminum fence, adjustable featherboards, a dedicated dust collection port, and an accessory slot that accepts featherboards and optional adds like a miter gauge. The inclusion of a storage pocket and cord wrapping storage speaks to practical shop organization, while a power cord lock adds a layer of safety against accidental operation. This model is purposefully designed for heavy-duty use with stability as a core attribute and a 30-pound mass helping minimize vibration during heavy cuts. Performance-wise, the RA1181 shines in repeatable above-table setups thanks to its rigid plate and pre-drilled layout that supports various routers and height adjustments. The dust port is a meaningful efficiency feature for keeping the work area clean during long sessions, and the extra tall fence provides flexibility for taller workpieces. However, being a fixed plunge-based table, it requires bundling with a router and may demand a larger workspace for optimal maneuverability. Users will appreciate the integrated storage and the simple-to-use on-off switch.
List number 2. SKIL RT1323-01 Router Table. This kit combines a skill router table, SRT1039, with a 10-amp fixed base router, RT1323-00. It ships with 2 featherboards, a router clamp for quick attachment, an integrated bit storage, and a large 24-inch fence with starter pin and guard. The kit is designed for straightforward, all-in-one setup with above-the-table adjustment and a sturdy die-cast motor housing for comfortable handling and precise control. It targets users who want a bundled solution with immediate usability for a range of routing tasks. In practice, the 2.0 HP motor and 2.5 E4 RPM Q provide solid performance for common routing tasks, including edge profiling and light datas. The integrated bit storage and above-the-table adjustment reduce setup time, while the 24-inch fence supports a wide working area. The included starter pin and guard help with accurate startup on longer workpieces. On the downside, some users may find the overall kit a bit heavy, and the kit's overall footprint may be less ideal for very compact shops. The 10-amp motor is adequate for many tasks, but may struggle with large diameter bits or heavy duty.
List number 3. The Skill SRT1039. The Skill SRT1039 is a benchtop router table focused on portability and convenient access to router bits via an above-the-table adjustment system. It includes a dual-sided integrated bit storage with quick latch, a 26-inch by 16-inch MDF work surface, a 24-inch fence with adjustable MDF faceplates, and 2 featherboards. It also features a router mounting plate with a quick clamp to attach most major routers under the table, which makes it adaptable for a variety of setups and user preferences. Performance-wise, the SRT1039 is tuned for users who value quick access and organization. The dual-sided bit storage keeps common bits within reach, reducing search time during projects. The above-table adjustment facilitates bit changes without crawling under the table. While the 2 HP-style motor is usually sufficient for standard trimming and light dados, serious dense hardwood work or large-diameter bits can push its capabilities. The portable design is ideal for on-site work or a smaller workshop, but the MDF top main...
List number 4. Ryobi Universal Router Table A25RT03. The Ryobi A25RT03 is a universal router table designed to be a flexible and budget-conscious option. It features a fixed base with a large working footprint, a straightforward setup path, and compatibility with various routers. The
The unit dimensions suggest a relatively compact configuration for a full-sized router table, making it appealing for hobbyists with limited space. The refurb version adds value for budget-conscious buyers, though condition may vary. In use, the Ryobi table provides decent stability and a broad work area for trim and light dado tasks. The large surface helps support longer workpieces, and the fixed base design keeps alignment straightforward. As a budget option, it may lack some of the fine-tuned featherboard systems or dust collection integration found in premium models. Users should expect solid performance for typical hobby projects, but plan for possible maintenance or component upgrades if used heavily or for intricate joinery.
List number 5. Rockler Trim Router Table. Adjustable Table Router. Rockler's Trim Router Table is a compact, edge-mount-able table designed to attach to benches or tables for trim routing. It includes a high-visibility bit guard and a 1/4 inch thick acrylic base to enable freehand work when needed. The Rockler kit emphasizes portability and versatility, enabling users to mount commonly used trim routers like Bosch Colt, Porter Cable 450 or 7310, DeWalt DW611, etc. The included fence and T-knobs support quick fence adjustments, making this an appealing accessory for smaller shops or on-site setups. Performance-wise, this table excels at small-profile tasks like roundovers, chamfers, and small dados. The acrylic base offers a clear sightline for precision, and the adjustable fence helps with repeatable trimming operations. Its portability is its strongest asset, but it naturally sacrifices some rigidity and depth of cut capacity compared to larger tabletop models. Users should plan for a stable mounting surface to ensure consistent results, especially with higher torque or denser materials. The platform is ideal as a secondary table or for on-the-go setups.